So the second metric that we will look at to find out if your Facebook ads campaign is doing okay is by looking at the CPM. Now, CPM is actually one of the most important metric that you need to understand as a Facebook ads manager, because this is the default charging block for your Facebook ads campaigns. What does it mean here? It means Facebook charge you every 1,000 times that shows your ad to your target audience. This is a default charging block unless you're choosing specific objectives that allow you to switch over to some other charging metrics such as CPC, etc. So by default, every time your Facebook ads being shown to the target audience, you're actually paying. So the CPM is really the metric that you need to pay attention to. But yet again, I'm not sure why Facebook is making this difficult. CPM is actually not a permanent metric on your Facebook Ads Manager. So let me quickly show you. You go into your Facebook Ads Manager, okay, and then pull it over to the far right, click on this blue button, pull out a very important metric, which is CPM. And when the CPM comes up, you'll be able to see how much you are actually paying, for every 1,000 times you show your ads to your target audience. So the CPM actually, kind of like the benchmark of the CPM that we will look at, is usually within 5 to maximum 30. So if your CPM is 30, let me break it down to you into perspective. What does it mean? It means you're actually paying 0.03 cents every time you show your ad to your audience. That's actually, in my opinion, almost as expensive as blast SMS. Why are we doing this on Facebook then? So unless you're going to a very specific audience, really small ones, such as maybe a few hundred to a few thousand people, then higher CPM is fine, because eventually the audience is small, you're not really spending a lot to show them a reasonable times of your advertisement. But if you're actually targeting a bigger audience size, and yet again you're still seeing a higher CPM, you probably need to investigate either your audience is not right, or you need to pay attention to your Facebook ads instead. So this is it, the second metric that we will look at to find out if your Facebook ads campaign is doing okay.